Hello and welcome back. In today's lesson, we're going to learn how to talk about your likes and dislikes in French. This is one of the most natural and common conversation topics, especially when getting to know someone. And it's something examiners love to ask in the TEF or TCF speaking exam. In this lesson, you'll learn how to talk about what you like and don't like. Use important verbs like aimer, adorer, and detester. Talk about your hobbies, your favorite activities, and your preferences. Have short, simple conversations about things you enjoy or avoid. This is also a great way to build your vocabulary around daily life and personal expression. Here are our goals for this module. By the end of the lesson, you'll be able to use vocabulary for hobbies and daily activities. Express your preferences clearly in French. Make short, complete sentences with j'aime, je n'aime pas, and more. React to other people's opinions, like saying me too. Respond to TEF-style questions about your favorite activities. This will also help you sound more natural when speaking and give you the confidence to talk about your personality and lifestyle. Let's start. Let's begin with some vocabulary. These are everyday activities and hobbies. Repeat after me. Écouter de la musique, to listen to music. Lire un livre, to read a book. Regarder un film, to watch a movie. Manger au restaurant, to eat out, faire du sport, to do sports voyager, to travel, jouer aux jeux vidéo, to play video games. Take a moment to repeat each one out loud. Don't worry about memorizing them perfectly yet. We'll use them in sentences soon. Now, let's talk about how to express your preferences. Here are the key expressions. J'aime, I like. Je n'aime pas, I don't like. J'adore, I love. Je déteste, I hate. Let's add some examples. J'aime lire, I like reading. Je n'aime pas faire du sport, I don't like doing sports. J'adore voyager, I love traveling. Je déteste les brocolis, I hate broccoli. And if someone tells you something, you can respond with moi aussi, me too, moi non plus, me neither. These simple reactions help make your French sound more natural and conversational. Now let's look at sentence structure. In French, when you say what you like to do, you use the infinitive verb after the expression. For example, j'aime plus infinitive verb j'aime lire. J'adore écouter de la musique. Je n'aime pas cuisiner. Try a few of your own. What do you like doing in your free time? Try saying j'aime, je déteste, je n'aime pas. Let's practice a short conversation. Person A. Qu'est-ce que tu aimes faire le week-end? Person B. J'adore regarder des films. Et toi? Person A. Moi, j'aime faire du sport. Now try to change this example and talk about your real preferences. You can write it out or speak it aloud. Now it's your turn to practice with a few questions. Qu'est-ce que tu aimes faire pendant ton temps libre? Tu préfères écouter de la musique ou regarder la télé? Pourquoi? Y a-t-il quelque chose que tu détestes faire? Quel est ton loisir préféré? Try answering in full sentence. For example, j'aime écouter de la musique parce que ça me détend. Je préfère regarder la télé, surtout les séries. Je déteste faire le ménage. Pause and answer out loud. The more you speak, the faster you'll improve. Before we finish, let's talk about how this helps with the TEF or TCF speaking test. You might be asked, qu'est-ce que vous aimez faire? Or, quels sont vos loisirs? That's your chance to show you can express your tastes clearly. Keep your answers short, natural, and well-structured. Use words you're comfortable with and stick to simple grammar. Most importantly, don't just list words. Make full, connected sentences. And if you get nervous, just breathe and focus on saying what you actually enjoy. That honesty helps you sound more fluent and confident. That's the end of this module. Great job today. You're learning to talk about yourself, which is one of the most important parts of speaking any language, especially French. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next lesson.